The human dream of flight has propelled us from a 12-second hop on a North Carolina beach to launching rockets that return to Earth and land themselves. This is the incredible journey of aviation. On December 17, 1903, Orville and Wilbur Wright achieved what many thought impossible. Their powered aircraft, the Wright Flyer, stayed aloft for 12 seconds, covering a distance of 120 feet. This moment marked the birth of the age of aviation. In the years that followed, aviation technology advanced rapidly. Pilots pushed the boundaries of what was possible, setting new records for speed, altitude, and distance. The First World War accelerated these developments, transforming aircraft from curiosities into vital military assets. The interwar period saw the rise of commercial aviation. Companies like Boeing and Douglas began producing aircraft designed specifically for passenger transport. The world started to shrink as people could travel vast distances in a fraction of the time it took by sea or land. World War II brought another leap in aviation technology. Jet engines, developed independently by Frank Whittle in Britain and Hans von Ohain in Germany, revolutionized air travel. The sound barrier was broken in 1947 by Chuck Yeager in the Bell X-1, ushering in the era of supersonic flight. As the Cold War intensified, the space race began. The Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1 in 1957, and just 12 years later, Neil Armstrong set foot on the moon. Aviation had transcended Earth's atmosphere, opening up new frontiers for exploration. Commercial aviation continued to evolve. The Boeing 747, introduced in 1970, became an icon of long-haul travel. Concorde, while short-lived, showed the potential for supersonic passenger transport. In recent decades, aviation has focused on efficiency and sustainability. Composite materials and advanced aerodynamics have made aircraft lighter and more fuel efficient. Meanwhile, the digital revolution has transformed cockpits and air traffic control systems, making air travel safer than ever. Enter SpaceX. Founded by Elon Musk in 2002, this company has revolutionized spaceflight. Their reusable rockets have dramatically reduced the cost of reaching orbit. SpaceX's Crew Dragon spacecraft has restored America's ability to launch astronauts from its own soil, a capability lost with the retirement of the space shuttle. Looking to the future, we see tantalizing possibilities. Electric aircraft promise to reduce aviation's carbon footprint. Hypersonic travel could make any point on Earth reachable in just a few hours. And perhaps most excitingly, companies like SpaceX are setting their sights on Mars, aiming to make humans a multi-planetary species. From the Wright Brothers' 12-second flight to rockets landing themselves, the progress of aviation over the past century has been nothing short of astounding. As we look to the skies and beyond, one thing is certain: the age of aviation is far from over. The next chapter promises to be just as thrilling as the last.